My video tutorial will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called INC. This INC is the ransomware that is able to considerably damage the files. The ransomware encrypts the files and damages the files essentially. Before the ransomware's attack, you are, of course, able to open your files without any troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. But because of some leaks and vulnerabilities, this ransomware called INC may be pretty easily injected into the computer, and so very soon users realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware encrypts the files and tells the victims to pay a special ransom. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom, you may simply waste the funds. Don't pay it. I recommend you to remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner for this purpose. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the software, and start researching the system. Combo Cleaner is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. Most likely the software will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So then the scanning will begin, and at the end of the scanning you will see the summary of the threats which were found on your computer. Combo Cleaner, however, does not decrypt files. It helps to remove the ransomware, it helps to protect the files, but it does not decrypt the files, and there is no any other antivirus which would be able to decrypt these files. So wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished, and then at the end of the scan you will see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, which will help you to fully remove this ransomware from your system. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how to protect your data.